Hey guys, what is up? This is going to be a little break from the Odyssey series, which is currently right here. I have part 2 filmed most of the way. Just need to edit that up, and then we should have a good video. And that should be coming out next couple days, whatever. But next, I figured I would do this because this is a pretty cool deal. I have this little Suzuki LT50 here. I picked it up a little while ago, and I got a message from a dude with a little Kawasaki 400cc. It's a twin cylinder street bike, and he wants to trade it for this thing because I guess he wants it for his kids, whatever. So it does run, but the pull start is not on it, and it's kind of messed up. So that'll be interesting, but I'm gonna go grab what I have left of the pull starter, which I think is, oh shit, where'd that thing go? It's somewhere. But I'm gonna go grab what's left of the pull start and then get on the road and go pick this thing up. I'm not gonna do any work on it today because it's like Tuesday, and I don't really have a lot of time to be working on it today, but yeah, I'm gonna get the little thing loaded up and be out of here. All right, I just grabbed the LT50 back there, and we are on the way. All right, so I just picked the bike up. You can see it back there. It is I think it's a 1976 KZ400. Traded it for that little quad. Dude was super nice, had a whole barn full of really sick bikes and all that. So yeah, I'm on the way home right now, and I will probably see y'all then. This is a 1976, I think, KZ400. Not in too bad shape. It's got a stupid looking seat on it, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I might take the motor off of it. It's got 16,302 miles on it. All the wiring is still here, so it might actually be a good little bike. Definitely gonna have to fix that seat though. That looks all different kinds of stupid. Front tires are roached as well. This is just junk. I probably could put air in that, but wouldn't hold it. Yeah, so I guess that's kind of part 1 of this. I'm gonna cut this off here because I don't really think there needs to be much more recording. I'm not gonna do much work on it. I might see if I get a battery for it and see if the key does anything. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to kind of keep an eye out for this build series. It's going to be pretty sick. Hello dogs, thank you for informing me. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later.